Okay, so hello guys, my name is Rishabh Raj and I'm a second year student at BITS Pilani, and this video is about the refund policy which you were all waiting for. Ki, will BITS Pilani follow the UGC guidelines or not? Will I get a refund of my amount or not? What is the policy and all? Because JEE Main is coming, JEE Main is going right now, and then there will be JEE Advance also, and you want to know if I go to some other college after say giving my fees to BITS, will BITS pay my fees back or not? So that was the question. So let's come into this. So the first thing that is written is that if you are offered admission of your preference, then you must give 2,70,050 rupees by September 2, 2021. If you are offered your preference order course in the first list, then this is written that you have to give this amount before September 2021 too. Then only you can sit for next rounds and all. Okay, this is first thing. And another thing is that, as I have told in my previous video, that you have to do some admission related formalities before September 29, 2021. But if you are not able to do that for any reason, I don't know what could be that reason, so then you will not be given admission to the institute, and the thing is that your admission will get cancelled. And now you would say that I want my amount back, so you'll get your amount back by November 5, 2021 in your bank account. For that, there will be a portal that will open up between October 15 to 20 October 2021 through online mode. You have to go there and you have to say that I want my refund, and they will give you a refund in like 15 days. This is the second thing. Okay, so the third thing is that if you are offered an admission, you accept the offer, you confirm all those things, you register to the courses, and you have started doing your classes from October 2. Now, you don't want the admission for any reason, like the reasons could be you think that your JMN percentile is very good and you can get a very good NIT, or you think that your J Advance has gone very good and now you don't want admission into BITS, and all these things could be right there. So now you want to withdraw your fees. So the thing is that you have to again, I think this will be the portal, October 15 to 20, you have to again apply that I don't want admission and please cancel my admission, and they would cancel it and they would give you all the fees before November 5, that is in 15 days, and that's a very good thing, I guess. And you have to do this only through online mode. And the next thing is that you accept the offer, you have given all the fees, and now you don't want your, again you think that because on 22 October the results of JEE Advance would come out, and now you think something new and you think I don't want admission, and now you are again given a chance from October 2021 to 31 October. You can cancel your admission, you can get all your fees back in few days, that is before December 31, 2021. You would get all your fees back. You just have to go through this online mode portal and cancel your admission. And again, the thing is that if you withdraw on or before December 31, 2021, they would again accept that, only they would charge 1000 rupees and they would give your seat back. So that's the thing. But the only thing is that after December 31, 2021, you think that you can still cancel, then that's not right. Now you can cancel, but you will forfeit 100% of your fees, that is 2,70,000 rupees you will forfeit. So this thing is that a lot of things can come in mind after this, is that maybe a lot of students will leave, and would the cutoffs drop or not. So these are estimates that cannot be made very these are estimates that cannot be made. I'm not a Jyotish and all, but what my views are that definitely in the first three rounds, I guess, as it happened the previous year also, the cutoffs did not drop a bit, and the same is expected this year also, that the cutoffs will not drop a lot in the first three rounds. After the fourth round, maybe some cutoffs will drop because a lot of people, because JEE Advance would happen around 3 October, and also this JEE Main is going on, its result will also happen, and that would affect a bit to the cutoffs. And that is why I think in the first, second or third round there will not be a very big drop in the cutoffs, but later on in the fourth or fifth round there will be a big drop, and you would get to know your real branch in fifth or sixth round. This is what happened in the previous year also, and I think there may be possibility that one more round may happen because maybe some students leave after JEE Advance, which is quite possible, and then there will be one more round. Either there will be one more round, but if only a few students leave, like 20, 30, I guess max, then a seventh round will not be there. What will happen is that the seats for duals will be increased, and the students who have opted for dual degree would now get more seats in certain branches in the vacancies. That's the thing what happens. So I hope you would have got cleared all your doubts. Mostly the thing is that if you want to cancel your admission before 31 December, you would mostly get all your fees except a 1,000 rupees thing. So you should not take a lot of tension about refund. But yeah, one thing you should take tension about is that if after 20 October you decide to cancel your admissions, then you would get that fees before December 31, 2021. So there will be a huge gap of two months. So there can be a financial problem. They will certainly give you your money back, but that's the problem, that is it would take time. So that's it. I hope all your refund related doubts would get over. And also I would like to tell you that very soon, in like 1 or 2 days, I would also release one more video where I would be analyzing the cutoffs of first round, and I will also be telling you that how much it can drop more. In early estimates it feels like it has dropped around 15 marks, and yeah, and it was expected also because of the higher difficulty mainly. And yeah, there were some inconsistencies also as suggested by students, but I'm not very sure about it.
We can build a treehouse in the pine tree.